Hello kids! Ngayon naman sa video na ito, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-divide ng decimal number. So, ano ba yung mga step at yung mga procedure para sa pagde-divide ng decimal number para makuha natin yung accurate answer. So, muli, kasama ninyo si Teacher Bean. So, bago natin simulan tong video na ito, kung di ka pa nakasubscribe sa akin channel, please click subscribe at click mo yung notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga learning videos. At kung gusto mo magkaroon naman ng mga activity worksheets, pwede kang mag-join sa aking FB page. Search mo lang Teacher Bean. We have here 3 and 78 hundredths divided by 3 tenths. So, first, ayusin muna natin in division as pa nagde-divide tayo. So, here, our dividend is 3 and 78 hundredths sa loob. And our divisor ay sa labas. 0 and 3 tenths. Yan. So, first step, kailangan tong divisor ay maging whole number. So, para maging whole number yan, imumove lang natin yung decimal point going to right ng 1. Move. So, isa. So, magiging 3 na siya. Whole number na siya. So, minove natin ng isa, ganun din yung, kung ilan yung minove natin dito, ilang beses nating minove, ganun din yung gagawin natin sa ating dividend. So, nag-move tayo ng 1 place din here. So, ayan. So, dito na mapupunta yung kanyang point. Dito rin yung sasagot. Ayan. So, ngayon, kung ilan yung sa divisor na move ng place, ganun din yung dito, yung sa decimal place. I-move natin kung ilan. Next step, magde-divide na tayo. So, 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. 1 times 3 is equal to 3. Then, subtract. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Bring down 7. Then, 7 divided by 3 is equal to 2. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Then, subtract. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. 0. Okay, pwedeng ibaba. Pwedeng hindi na natin isulat pag 0. And next, bring down 8. Yan, bababa natin yung susunod na digit. So, 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. Then, 6 times 3 is equal to 18. Then, subtract. 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. So, our quotient is 12 and 6 tenths. So, 3 and 78 hundredths divided by 3 tenths is equal to 12 and 6 tenths. This is our first given. We have 2 and 96 hundredths divided by 2 tenths. So, ito ang ating dividend at ito ang ating divisor. So, isusulat natin sila in division form ng pagganito. 0 and 2 tenths divided, yan, dito. 2 and 96 hundredths. So, this is our dividend and this is our divisor. 2 and 96 hundredths divided by 2 tenths. So, paano ang ating first step? Sa pagdi-divide ng decimal, dapat itong ating divisor ay whole numbers o integer, maging integer or whole number. So, paano natin magiging whole number itong ating decimal numbers? So, ang gagawin natin ay mag-move tayo. I-move natin itong decimal point niya ng 1 place. So, mapupunta siya dito. So, ito yung magiging 2 na. So, kung ilan yung beses na minove natin dito sa divisor, ganun din yung gagawin natin sa dividend. So, nag-move tayo ng isa. So, i-move din natin itong decimal point here. So, magiging 29 and 6 tenths. Dito mapupunta yung, yan, susulat natin sa magiging quotient mamaya. So, yan. Kung ilan yung minove nyo dito, laging papunta sa left, laging papunta sa right. So, kung ilan yung minove nyo dito sa ating divisor, nakakita nyo, 1 move lang, 1 place. Ayan, ganun din yung gagawin nyo sa dividend. So, ayan, makikita nyo, i-move nyo lang yung decimal point. So, pwede na natin siyang i-divide. Kasi whole number na tong ating divisor. So, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Dito natin lalagay sa tapat ng 2. So, 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Then, ang susunod na, so subtract. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Bring down 9. Then, 9 divided by 2 is equal to 4. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. And subtract. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. So, 0 minus, bring down yung 0, kahit hindi na natin lagay 0 yun. Bring down 6 yung susunod na number. So, 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. 8 times 2 is equal to 16. Then, ang susunod ay, we will subtract. 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. So, our answer is 14 and 8 tenths. So, yan yung ating quotient na tinatawag. So, yan yung sagot. Ang sagot, 2 and 96 hundredths divided by 2 tenths is equal to 14 and 8 tenths. Our next given, we have here 1 and 815 thousandths divided by 15 hundredths. So, first step, ayusin muna natin siya in division form. So, ang ating dividend ay yung 1 and 815 thousandths. Then, ang ating divisor ay 15 hundredths. Ayan. So, ang first step, gawin muna nating whole number yung ating divisor. So, imumove lang ulit natin yung decimal place yung decimal point going to right. How many times? So, dito, dalawa. 1, 2. Yan. So, magiging 15 na siya. Whole number na. So, dalawang beses natin minove dito. Ganun din dito sa ating dividend. Dalawang beses. 1, 2. So, dito na. Dito rin mapupunta yung point sa answer. Dito. Yan. So, magde-divide na tayo. So, here, ang ating divisor ay 2 digits. 2 digits din yung gagamitin natin dito. So, 18. 18 divided by 15 is equal to 1. So, after mag-divide, ta-times naman natin. 1 times 15 is equal to 15. Dito lalagay yung sagot. Sa tapat ng 8. Then, subtract. Sunod naman, subtraction. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Pwede hindi na isulat. Then, susunod na number, bibring down. 1. So, 31 divided by 15, ilan? So, the answer is 2. So, 2 times 15 is equal to 30. Then, subtract. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Then bring down 15. So, the digit. 15 divided by 15 is equal to 1. So, 1. 1 times 15 is equal to 15. Then, so subtract. 15 minus 15 is equal to, or 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So, 15 minus 15, 0 yan. So, ang answer ay 12 and 1 tenths. So, 1 and 815 thousandths divided by 15 tenths is equal to 12 and 1 tenths. Now we have here 2 and 950 thousandths divided by 0 and 25 hundredths. So first, ayusin muna natin right here. Our dividend here is 2 and 950 thousandths, and our divisor is 0 and 25 hundredths. First step, gagawin muna natin ulit itong ating divisor ng whole number. From decimal number magiging whole number. So, move lang natin yung decimal point going to right ng twice. So, 1, 2. So, dito, magiging 25 na siya. So, kung ilang beses natin minove dito, ganun din yung gagawin natin sa point here sa dividend. So, twice din. 1, 2. So, here. So, dito yung sagot. Susulat nyo yung point din sa magiging answer later sa taas. Doon, katapat nung here. Dividend. So, now, susunod na, de-divide na natin. 2-digit yung ating divisor. So, 2-digit din, titignan natin dito sa ating dividend kung pwede. So, 29 divided by 25 is equal to 1. So, 1, susunod, multiply. 1 times 25 is equal to 25. Then, subtract. Susunod na step. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Pwedeng di na isulat. Then, bring down yung susunod na number, 5. Then, 45 divided by 25 is equal to 1. Then, 1 times 25 is equal to 25. The next step is subtract. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Then bring down yung 0, yung susunod na digit sa taas. Then 200 divided by 25 is equal to ilang 25 meron sa 200. So the answer is 8. Tapat ng 0. 8 times 25 is equal to 200. So, ang susunod ay subtract na. 200, 0 minus 0, 0 is equal to 0. So, 200 minus 200 is equal to 0. So, here, we have 2 and 950 thousandths divided by 0 and 25 hundredths is equal to 11 and 8 tenths. Ang ating quotient, tinatawag. So, ganun lang mag-divide ng decimal number. So, tandaan lang natin, yung divisor natin, i-change natin siya sa whole number. So, para ma-divide natin sa ating dividend. So, if may tanong kayo sa ating lesson for today, pwede kayong maglagay sa ating comment section sa baba. At if nagustuhan nyo itong video na ito, click nyo na rin yung like button. So maraming salamat. Hope you learned today. Till next time, with Teacher Bean.